Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch, first you need to open the settings, and to do that press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connectivity and tap on it, of course, and here find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, then scroll down and tap on My Networks right here. As you can see, we don't have any networks saved on our watch, and to add a new network you need to tap on Search for Networks. It will start searching for the nearby networks, and once it's done it will show you the list. Now find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and now you can enter the password if it's password protected. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone to enter the password, which is more convenient in my opinion. So I'm gonna enter it here on the phone. Tap on Done and Connect. It will start connecting. And after it's done and it's connected, the network will appear right here on the list of My Networks. And you can tap on it, and here you have Update Password or Remove. And then we can go back completely by pressing the lower button a few times. And basically at this point, if your watch is in vicinity of that network and the network is working, it will connect to it automatically. And you can add multiple networks, of course, to cover all of your areas that you hang around basically. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.